Today I have for you the 2021 Citroen Berlingo in a lovely grey colour. This is the short wheelbase model, and this one in particular has 44,500 miles on the clock. It is an automatic as well, as you'll now see when I go into the cab just here. This one does come with 3 seats, and if we just head into the back here, cargo rings of course to stow down any goods you may be carrying. I will just show you this the back space again. Rear doors. And if we just head around to the driver's seat now, I'll show you some of the conveniences that this car has. So this of course comes with cruise control, voice assistant, hands-free cooling, and Bluetooth of course, which comes with that as well. Like most modern Citroens, this obviously has an electric handbrake, as I mentioned earlier, automatic on here. Now if we just look up at some of the other conveniences, of course DAB, satellite navigation, and this does also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto fitted into it as well. Now if I just pop it into reverse here, you can see that we've got parking sensors, and above 3 separate cameras, one for the reversing cam, one for the blind spot, and a wider field of view of the back as well. Now just before I end this, I'll just like to show you as well, on the roof here we do have a couple of emergency buttons, which I shan't be pressing to show you what happens, but they are there as well, just in case you would ever need them.